Hi everybody, Debbie from Stamp On It, and this is a Jammie video. You guessed it. This video is just a very quick product review of 3 new kits that have just come out, and these are really favorites of mine. So I just want to give you a short overview of them. So what I'm going to show you is 3 kits. They're all in the same line, which means they are all the Sunset Seagull, if you can see this, the Sunset Seagull line, and then there are 3 different categories. This one is the Get Well category. These are kits. You can also buy all of this product individually, but this is a kit. And I just want to show you very quickly how beautiful the kits are, how easy they are to work with. It's just fantastic. We're really excited about this. This is a Slimline kit, all right? In it you get, of course, your picture and your what's in the kit. On the second sheet there are complete instructions and additional samples, okay? And I just want to show you the samples of this one. This particular one is called Get Well. It is the horizontal layout. Each kit comes horizontal or vertical. So when you create this, it will be easiest, you don't have to, but easiest to work with this kit in the horizontal fashion. So the card will be the long way, okay? This same kit in the vertical would look like this, all right? And the samples would look like this. So when you get the sheet, it will have cutting lines on it. And if I didn't get one out, but let me quickly grab, I apologize, I should have had one of these out and ready. Here is the scripture kit, and I'll show you that in a minute. But if you look at this, there are cutting lines on here. They're gray shaded lines. And if you cut on those lines, for example, if you want to build a horizontal card, you cut on these lines. Not this way if you want it all to be one piece. Now, if you want it to be different levels or separated like this one is, then you cut them apart. For example, this one is, these 2 are adhered to the overlay, which is in the kit. But this one, we actually cut here and here, and we dropped it to the card level. So if you can see that, there's a little bit of dimension in here. The overlay is mounted onto the front of the card with foam tape, and so it gives it a little bump. And the image is cut so that we can drop the middle one down. All 3 have the Glitterfilm behind, but they're at different levels. So then you cut them apart. Otherwise, you can cut on the horizontal cutting lines and adhere very easily to the front of your card and put your overlay on, and then add your embellishment stickers, which come in the kit also, okay? So that's the idea of cutting lines. Super, we call them no measure cutting lines. So this is the vertical, 3 samples. Very nicely done. This particular black strip here, Sharon, thank you to Sharon for these gorgeous samples. She took and just cut a piece of the overlay. If you don't have cardstock, extra cardstock, and some of you don't, she just cut this and used it on the back side as a strip on the front of the card. So there's another way to use your overlays. Should you not want to use them as an overlay, you can use them cut apart and use them as pieces. Vertical, here's your horizontal kit. So in your kit in the horizontal, you get your orange or orangey colored, peachy colored, whatever you want to call them. I think they're more orange. And black overlays. If you go to the vertical, you get black and white. And you will see that on the pictures and the samples online. It will show you. And you will have to pick whether you want this particular kit. If you go to Get Well, Sunset Seagulls, you'll have to select whether you want it in vertical or horizontal layout, and it will not let you put it in your basket until you select that. Just kind of a precaution thing there, so that you can't just put a kit in and then we don't know what you want. All right, that is Get Well. And then next one I just want to quickly show you is For You, and here's horizontal. And I'll just lay these out for you to see. And here is the vertical of that kit. All right, here's the vertical, built in the vertical fashion instead of the horizontal. All right. just really nice. Sharon did a great job on these samples. This one is no overlay. She just cut out the pieces, attached them to the front of the card, and she likes to use our glue drops to do that. They hide nicely behind the glitter film, and she also puts corner stickers in there if needed to give a little additional hide and seek. This one is using the white overlay. She framed it with the stickers included in the kit. This one here, she used what we call the outies. No, the inners. The inners. This is not the sticker itself. It's the inside of a sticker that she pulled off. So another great way to use your products. All right, that's for you. And the third one I just want to quickly show you is the scripture. This one, again, has your horizontal. And here's a couple samples of that one. Gorgeous, very beautifully done. And it also has it in the vertical layout. This one has the neutral color, and it has the orange. Beautiful color to go with this particular sunset vintage hue. Now remember, you can get these as kits, but you can also order all the products individually. You can get the sheets separately, the overlays, the cards, the glitter film, the stickers, and create your own if you would like. One thing I wanted to show you before I close here is when you want to order the sheets separately, you also have the option. Now on these sheets in the kits, there's always words. The greeting is already in there if you want to use it. But we also sell the sheets without the greeting. And then you can, they come horizontally, they come vertically. So again, you select your layout, but you can put your own words in here. You can stamp in here, you can cut this out and not use this piece at all and just use these two, or you could put the glitter film all the way across the back side, use it as your layer, and then add a sticker to the front of here too. So you could do a birthday. These are great for masculine birthdays, thinking of you, things like that. And here is another way you can order them. This is called a full sheet, where the sheet is full of images. This is one where you want to totally, let's say, design your own. So you can cut these all apart individually if you like. Again, you can use them together, but you probably would, in this case, would cut them apart and adhere them to the card individually. More like Sharon did in an example like this. She used this out of the kit, but if you were to get this way, you could design these, use these in this way, in that design, okay? So, and there's always instructions with all of our product. We also have lots of videos on the website, so check out our video section. Make sure you sign up or get your friends to sign up for our email blast. We send out regular emails and we do not inundate you with them. But it's a great way to get discount codes to order online and things like that, and to keep educated on if we are going to a show, where we will be, and so on. New products, everything like that. So I want to just thank you for joining us for this quick video, and we hope you'll go to our website and check these out. Have a wonderful day.